And we're back. All right, how's everybody doing? What'd you guys do? Was it fun? Why wasn't I invited? Kind of fucked up if you think about it. Anyway, yeah, I wasn't sure if I was gonna be here. I got to the gym really late. I did like maybe 3/4 of what I usually do, and a little more than half, and just ran out. I'm just really like, this is the last FOMC of the year, right? I just wanted to be here for this. And if we think about it, right? Let's go to Forex Factory. So we got under 2 minutes, but if we think about it, right? If they're cutting rates and it's already priced in, right? If it's already priced in, then a rate cut should drive up. But if we understand what should happen, right? Because like if we understand, if we already know for the most part, like if it's a given and we couldn't drive up, are we just going to continue heading down? No, we took a sell. Yeah, we took the 1 hour sell and we closed it at break even after the stream. The 4 hour was nice here, but I wasn't home for the 4 hour. I dipped. All right, so we got 1 minute here for FOMC. FOMC in 1 minute. FOMC. 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 You got your fingers crossed. All right, Journey. Why? Are you in a position? And prayers. Fingers crossed and prayers. Wow, you're doing 4 of everything. You're stacking on every emotion. Yeah. Full margin on these emotions today. Yeah, we had sells right here on this candle an hour ago. Close BE. Ha ha! Oh, this fucker, if this flips, I don't even know. Wait, hold on. Numbers haven't hit yet. This is for everyone thinking if a drop in rates is going to bring this shit bullish. Damn, can we take buys now? What's your spread? My spread is 16 right now. I can't take a position. 9, 12, 4, 8. Yeah, hold on. It's... How much was the drop? It wasn't massive. It was only 112 pips or 100 pips over here on the drop. Did you guys FOMC that? That was wild. Yeah, with spreads at 20, it's hard to take a 20 pip win. So let's go into the smaller time frame here. Zoom door, I got you, you know. You are the luckiest man alive, bro. Well, the luckiest dude on this stream, you know. I got 2 funded accounts. priced in. We got what we wanted, right? They dropped the rate. Exactly as expected. Yeah. I mean, it's exactly as expected. So if it's exactly as expected, right? That's what I was just talking about. Can the market continue down? Like if it's already priced in, right? If they knew it was going to drop, right? Wouldn't have price come up earlier today? It had a chance, it didn't, and now it looks like it's coming down. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe this flips and drives up, and you know we'll look for positions after that. I need my spread to come down first. My spread is non-tradable right now. I'm interested to see what the sell here would be on the break of this low. Yeah, that might push it. Damn. Straight to hell. Five minutes gonna close here. Let's see if we get a nice top wick on this next 5. Okay.
How about no?
Do nothing but sell. Yeah, I would agree with you. I'd just rather sell in a better area than this. Although this might drop another 50 right now. From what I see. Right, these wicks here. 19. It's another 50 pips. If you look at the previous moves down. Anytime you want to pull back here. Anytime now. Zoom door. Gotcha. Wow, what a dead FOMC. Market barely moved here. Yeah. Almost a pullback. $230 another volume. I mean, it hasn't even been 10 minutes. It's only been like 9 minutes off FOMC. We've moved 200 pips in 9 minutes. Somebody say volume. Watch us move 500. What is this? 13. It's gotta be a reaction. Five created a top wick here. Reflipping bearish. Yeah, I'm waiting on this to pull back. 15 closes in 4 minutes. Need a bottom wick here. Need a top wick on the previous candle. The only position that I've seen was this, the break of that 1 minute low. It's incredible, actually. 140 pips in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. Press conference 2:30. There's no level here that I'm interested in where this 5 is driving from. Looking for candles? What are we looking for? I'm looking for an indication here of a level that will bring us down. I see nothing here. Okay. And at this point, we're frozen on TradingView. Interesting how that lines up there. That monthly candle looks like juice, but a monthly candle takes a whole month. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Yeah, 15 close, barely a bottom wick. We're gonna need the market to pull back. We're most likely gonna watch this 15 pull push. We're definitely seeing this hourly through. Also, adjust your risk, chat. If we do pull up here, your ranges are massive, right? You have 160 pips up to take pineapples. You know what I mean? So just before you're wrong. So adjust your risk accordingly. Hmm? You also going with small last night. If we had positions here for the trade, yeah, actually now that you remind me, I'm gonna check because for news I dropped my lots to 5 since last month. And thank you for reminding me, because if I take trades now, it's going to be normal lot size. Yeah, that is kind of played out here. If we get what we want, it's not a news trade, it's a price action trade here. Wow. A lot of you caught that drop. A large portion of you caught that drop. Last time we had this drive, the next candle, where did the top wick come up to? This white line, also on the dot. Let's see what happens. Lock in, gang. Anywhere between 23.2 and 24.3, we will see an entry. Chat, take a sell right here. 22.76. Close enough. We'll look for pineapples up there if it gets there. There's a level here that runs across. So if we right under it, right there. Last time we had a drive down, it tapped this area. You see right there. Came down. I think we can take advantage of that. If it comes up any higher, we will obviously look for pineapples. 24.3 will be a pineapple. Six minutes here on the 30. No bottom wick on the 5. A bit irrelevant here in terms of volume and, you know, and direction. We're just paying attention to the higher time frame here, really. Let's move this over onto the candle itself. Five minutes here for the 30. Didn't see any profit. I saw about 5 or 6 bips, not too much. Not really anything we can consider great profits. 4 minutes here for the 30. Three minutes. 3 minutes for this 30 to close. A lot will depend on how the next 30 opens as well. It'll be key. close half here at 11. One of my positions. I'm going to move stops to break even, making this a first free trade. And I'm going to close full right here for a total of 29 pips, I believe, between two positions. All right. Now stay locked in here. Stay locked in. I close this position. And what I'm going to do, look at that. Sniper entry. Another sniper entry. What do we see? About 7-8 pips of drawdown there, but another sniper entry. Anyway, let's lock in here. We got 40 seconds here for this 30 to close. All right. And we want that again. We want the same thing here. Another sniper entry. Brought to you in part by Wix9 and the gang. Drop some likes, yo. 15 seconds here. 30's closing. We're really looking for the same exact thing. The thing is, this 5 is going to close bearish. We might not get it. We might see initial bearish momentum for a bottom wick. Yeah, you see? Because you look at the 5. The 5 closed out bearish, so the final momentum is bearish. So, but the 15 closed bullish, so you're probably seeing a bottom wick to bring this up. We'll see. We'll see. It might retest the bottom here and then come up, but we'll see. I believe this is a bottom wick to bring this candle up a little bit. If anything, to grab top wick somewhere up here and then come back down. So we will see. Is Jay here? Jay's not here. Our pip counter's out. All right, hold on. Let me do the full pip count. The last trade on stream, we made 29 pips. W. Jay's not here. We made 29 pips. 26? No, 29. Two positions, one at 1740, the other one at 1140. 29 pips total. Stream record. Win number 354. You know, I don't know. However you turn it, twist it, stop format it. We tend to get our 40 to 50 to 70 pips on the daily. So we're 40 pips for the day. What was the idea behind this trade? This top wick right here. Bearish volume, momentum, direction, everything. And all you needed to do, this is what we've been waiting for this whole drop. We were waiting for it here, 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 right? We were waiting for that pullback. We were waiting for it up here. You see those white lines? Every white line is not a level. That's an entry. That's a possible entry. So we're waiting to put ourselves in the best possible position to succeed, just in case we're wrong, right? And I have found that approach towards entering a trade has kept me really profitable. So, like, especially over the last few months, like, this is like I'm only coming into this style of trading maybe in the last 6 months, based on everything that we've done before, right? But I remember 2 or 3 years ago we used to discuss, oh, you're a cowboy, you entered on that top wick, or like, right, this is cowboy entries, it's moving against you, and how do you know it's going to flip? And I remember talking at that time and saying, hey, there's going to come a time where we're going to be the cowboys and we're going to be so confident it's just going to be like a regular entry for us. That's our cowboy entry. We've been sniping the shit out of the market. It's been tapping our, and even when I don't take the trade, these white lines that I mark up, every time price has gotten there, people that have utilized that outside the stream, let's say I left, I'm done streaming, but people have these levels marked up on their terminal and they've been using them. The reason we're not looking for sells here on that 30 is because of this bottom wick. You can be, but I think you're better off here waiting for 2:45, 3 p.m. and getting your entries somewhere up here, 29, 27, to trickle back down towards 20 areas, which is completely possible. Yo, someone stole my shit. Marcel's like, this isn't a bad level. We just spoke about it, but we already traded off this level. Oh, there it goes. See? Boom. On point. For me, I take this sell here as long as this bottom wick doesn't exist. As long as this bottom wick isn't here, right? If we black that out and we were coming up right now, we would have taken the sell and we would have closed right here at 20 pips. Sniper level. But you guys already know me. I'm not interested in it because of this bottom wick. That gives me, when there's no wick there, it gives me another level of confidence that we need to come down there and make one. Now that we've made one and come up here, right? I'm not approaching this trade as, all right, but we still got to come down and fill this wick to the left partially, right? Because we were already done. We've already filled this wick to the left partially. So my logic tells me, right, we're not obligated to come down there. We can continue making higher highs on the smaller time frame. Yeah, eventually I believe we'll retest the lows. But with making that bottom wick now, it tells me, hey, this isn't the candle to do it. This 30 is going to play out. And then the next candle or the next 15 is the candle to actually drive through here, right? But we'll see. That's not, you know, that's just a rule of thumb. It's not written in stone. It's not black and white. So personally, since we made that bottom wick, I'm expecting a bullish push, but still a bearish closure on the hourly and an entry somewhere in these areas at 27 and 29. Right? You don't want now an entry at 24 because if the market comes back here to 24 too, guess what? It's already been there. It's already did the move from this area. It already did the bounce up here. That's it. This is gone. You're either going to have the hourly pull back up here and you can take this top wick here at 27 or 29 areas, or you're going to completely break down here to 07 areas. Or since look how late in the day it is, right? I know it's FOMC and we could keep pushing. But because of how late in the day it is, maybe we break to the next range and just range, right? You got to leave room open for that possibility. There's a chance that you just kind of see some trickling down right now. This, right? But what a sniper entry right there. Right there. Incredible. Dubs. Yeah, if some of you guys needed to hold for 5 minutes because of the funded account, you've made way more than me. Wix, I'm literally listening to your breakdown and applying your strategy on NAS 100. It works amazing. I mean, yeah, as long as there's candles, as there are levels, this, you know, as long as you can read the candles, people's psyche doesn't change from from chart to chart, from pair to pair, right? It doesn't change based on the instrument. People's psyche is people's psyche. People don't get less greedy because they're trading a different instrument, right? They don't all of a sudden become more patient because they're trading a different instrument, right? People's psyche is for the most part the same as a whole, right? As a society, sociologically speaking. So if what we're seeing on the charts, right, is the reflection of the collective, right? It's the reflection of the collective psyche of all the traders in the world that's being reflected in these charts, because all the traders in the world and all the institutions, everyone's placing positions, everyone's trading, and this is their collective psyche, right? And as a collective, it like people are gonna have to go. We as a species are gonna have to go through an evolution in order for that to change, right? Otherwise, people are people, and they think the same way, they act the same way, through just independent of where they're from, where they're going. They're still greedy, they're still impatient, they're still risk takers, they still they're still impulsive. So that all of that is reflected, right? If all of that is reflected here on gold, the point I'm trying to make is, why wouldn't all of that reflect on the NAS, or all of that reflect in the charts on the US 30 or GJ? Like, it's gonna be reflected the same way. Is bro high? No, bro is profitable. All right. Hasn't driven here. Maybe it'll range. Interesting. So right now we have a speech going on, right? Press conference. So yeah, unless somebody pulls the fire alarm at the press conference, I think we're gonna, continue kind of trickling down here. Just took 80 pips, massive W. I took 29. I'm cool. That's good though. It's good. For an instant count, do I need to hold trades for at least 5 minutes? Yes. On top one trader, you got to hold it for 5 minutes, and then you got to hit them up and thank them for making you hold that 5 minutes here, because you made super duper profits. When was the last time you deposited in your live account? 2019, 2020. Early 2020. I think it was like January or February 2020. Slow and steady. Build winning habits, right? Build winning habits, and they'll carry you long term. They're going to be second nature to you, right? Something's going to be a habit. It's going to be second nature to you. You don't want losing to be second nature. You want winning habits. Be patient. Open Powell speech on screen. Now I told you, I got IPS. I can't. I got irritable Powell syndrome. I can't stand that guy. So you've been trading this account for 4 years? Longer. About 5. I used to have to deposit every week, but now I started improving thanks to you, and I haven't deposited in over a month. Let's go. Let's go. Amazing. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna go drop a reel today. Not right now. I'm not leaving yet. I'm waiting this hourly through. I want to see how we close here on the hourly. Hopefully we can pull up. Pull up. Pull up. But there's going to be a reel drop today on which you should comment, and that's going to get you entered into a giveaway on Friday. Our Friday giveaway on the live stream will be a couple of 25K funded accounts on from Top One Trader. But if you want to skip the challenges and go straight into funding, right? Straight into trading for profits, toponetrader.com/Wix. Use code Wix. Get 25% off and get instantly funded. Outside of that, we're going to do the raffle on Friday. And for the Signal channel, we're going to do a raffle on Sunday. Not a raffle, a giveaway. A raffle. We're going to do a giveaway on Sunday. Right? And on Sunday, you got to be part of the Signal channel. So if you're part of it, make sure you show up Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern. And if you're not part of it, make sure you join the Signal channel. I heard the market's good and took a sell. Damn. That's a crazy breakdown. You really put a lot into that. How can you get instant funded? You go to toponetrader.com/Wix and choose an instant funded account. Skip the challenge, straight into funded. So sometimes you take it where a steel top wick is not needed. Other times steep top wick is not needed. Other times you really want a steep long wick. What makes the difference? Timing, levels, ranges. It's really individualized based on where we are in the market and when we are in the market. You'll get a good feel for it. Just keep showing up. You'll get a good feel for it. Where I prefer steep wicks, where I prefer where it doesn't really matter, where I don't need a wick at all. We kind of started ranging here, but I believe we should still come down. When the market does this, it'll trickle down, right? It won't, when it doesn't pull up heavy, it'll tend to trickle down. That's what we've been seeing on the 5. The hourly's still pushing heavy though. You know, it'd be good right about now. Right about now. Funk Soul Brother, check it out now. Funk Soul Brother, right about now. Yeah, right about now. Them Jack Herrera's would be good. Wix, you don't want to go on vacations? I go on vacation. I live where most people vacation, you know what I mean? So, there's that. I'm trying to get back from vacation and go work or something. Just fucking bought a one-way ticket and I'm having a hard time leaving. Top one trader in Canada? Yeah, for sure. 140 pip FOMC bagged. You, the FOMC monster. Chat. Donovan G is the one your mama told you about. He's him. You are him. Yeah, you could definitely get it in Canada. Or, like, I don't know. Where are you in Canada? Actually, it doesn't matter. Whichever part of northern Mexico you're in, you can still get it. So down last night. Nice. Last night, I couldn't even get an answer. I tried to call. Watching your streams is like cheating in the market. Shh. Shh. Do I think tomorrow will be close your eyes up type of day? I never approach things like that. I don't know. I have no idea. Go to the daily here. I mean, by the looks of it, a lot's going to depend on the daily closure. You close with no bottom wick, it's going to be a little tough. You close with a really steep top wick, I think, as it starts riding up. If you have, you know, the cojones to hold all the way through the daily high, but you're going to need some fucking cojones grandes. You know what I mean? If it really starts pulling back heavy. But you're also going to need to lock in. Because look at this. This is a daily, right? And if the daily closes right here, the next day just fucking took off on you, never came back. So you really want that steep bottom wick. Talking about this area like it matters. We're about to be at 2,500. Yeah, damn. Seven minutes here for the 1 hour. What a lovely wick, and it's mine. The most loveliest wick of my life. Come on. Close already. Do you trade sometimes by listening the press conference word by word? I'm not sure what you mean. Do you trade sometimes by listening the press conference? What press conference? JPP. Jerome, I got the power. Powell. Nah, I don't listen to him. Beautiful December so far. Best of all months. Yeah, we've had a pretty good December. I think my April was way better. But he meant if the Powell says the economy's growing, inflation is less, would you press the sell button? Mm-mm.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
Mm-mm. I'm gonna have to see it printed on the charts. I don't go by like 99.999% of my analysis is based off what I see, right? Because like you could hear shit, right? But unless I see it in front of me, like, I don't know. I gotta believe my lying eyes. Wow. Wow, we are. This is very similar to what the Dolphins did in like 2020 when they tanked for Tua. Except I don't know who the fuck gold is tanking for. We got 4 minutes here. April gave more pips than half the year combined. That's true. April was wild. News trades just ran. Everything would run. Target tap, target tap. Nah, target is 500. 26. I'm sorry, 2,500. Not 2,500 flat, but into the 2,500s. That's target. We got another 60 pips to go. Yeah. I think we could get down into these areas right here. 2602, 2601, maybe 2,600 flat. $30 seconds for the 1 hour. This needs a bottom wick here. Oh, what am I saying? 3 minutes. Why did I say 30 seconds? Where did I get 30 seconds from? 3 minutes. Couple of reasons can't take sells here. We need a bottom wick. What needs to happen for a bottom wick? Pullback. You need a top wick on the next candle. What needs to happen for that? A steeper pullback. You feel me? So can't take sells there because we're going to need the pullback. If we're expecting to pull back, why are we taking a position to expect drawdown? You know what I mean? So All right. Chat. I'm gonna tell you like a G told me. If this shit don't break down and pull back up and leave a bottom wick, I'm gonna close the stream. Need a bottom wick, a bottom wick. You speak with top one. It's not a conversation. It's a whole back and forth with the owners and then the risk management team. It's not like, hey, can you get this done? It's a big thing. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Haha. Haha. LOL. Yeah. What G told me that? I have no idea. I was making this shit up. Okay, chat. So, it's 3 p.m. Market closes in 2 hours completely. That would be your daily candle, right? That would also be your 4-hour. Wait for the daily. I mean, you can trade, do whatever you want. You want to overtrade? Be my guest. You guys are all over traders. I know you guys are all going to stay here, but look what's happened historically at this level. Just a rip up. I'm going to wait on the daily to close. I'm going to wait for Asian session. I'll approach this with a brand new perspective after all of this settles down and be ready to go with price action. So if you're part of the signal channel tonight, Asian will be in full effect. If you're not part of the signal channel, go join up and make sure you got something to trade. Don't show up with your step 1 or 2-step or, 18-step fucking trading challenge. Stop that nonsense. Skip the fucking challenge, get an instant funded account, and show up tonight and go get your signal channel access so you can come trade with us and start making money immediately. Outside of that, I'm going to post a reel as soon as I get off of here. Yeah, use code WIX for sure. But as soon as I get off of here, I'm going to post a reel. You guys should comment on it because on Friday, we're going to do a giveaway. A couple of giveaways. I'm going to give away a few accounts. All right. So let's do that. Congrats to everybody that caught a dub with us. Drop a like, sub to the channel. For real, sub to this channel and turn on your notifications. This way you know when we're on. You don't have to fucking guess. All right. 20% off only for Wix subs. What a deal. No. 25. You get 20 from there. And if you put code Wix, it's an extra 5. The code is stackable. Don't get it twisted. It's 25. You guys are too special for me not to give you a discount, all right? Anyway. Chat, it's been a pleasure. I made it home just in time for FOMC. I'm glad we got some dubs. Still a 41 pip day. Oh. Also, before I forget. Chat. Spam some dubs for FOMC. We smacked it today anyway. We were patient. We got our 29 pips. 42 for the day. Spam some dubs. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you for the dubs. Thank you for the dubs. Stops. All right, gang, let's call it a session. I'll be trading in about 5 hours in the Signal channel. Other than that, I'll see everybody tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp. All right? Be there or be broke. All right? I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. All right? As for me, my time here is up. Come on, you guys know this. And just like that, another FOMC session is in the books. Enjoy your day, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp.